welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Simone, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this quick and easy 50s inspired hairstyle. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. This wig is from ISEE Hair. It's a 14-inch frontal wig. I don't want to ramble too much, so we're just going to get into the video.
Alright, hey y'all. So in this clip I was just looking at my hair and it was looking a mess. And I started to brush through it just to kind of get it a little less wild and more manageable. And then I used my rat tail comb to make my side part. I kind of already had a part in it from when I was playing with the wig earlier, but I just wanted to make it more precise and more noticeable. Also, excuse my lace in these clips. I ended up fixing it later. So I was just using Motion's foam to put the hair in place. I don't even know if they still sell this foam because I've had it under my cabinet unused for like years, but it definitely helped. It made the hair more manageable and easier to like comb into place. I would say be careful with how much you use because it definitely makes your hair shiny and stiff. So you don't want to put too much at the bottom, just focus it at the top so you can still have that body and shape even with your flips. So yeah, I just kept putting the foam in and combing through it, just kind of shaping and molding and trying to make my swoop super slick and slayed and sleek. And of course, you can make your swoop as dramatic or low-key as you want. The deeper you do your side part, the more full and dramatic your swoop will look. My part wasn't super deep, so my swoop wasn't super dramatic or like nearly touching my eye or anything like that. And then I decided to just bobby pin it behind my ear. There's a couple different methods you can do. I've seen people put it in a ponytail behind their ear, and I've seen some bobby pin. And then this was when I was getting my flat iron and I started to actually do the curling process. It was definitely trial and error, as you will be able to tell. I didn't know what I was doing at first. I was doing the flips a little loose in this clip. I ended up learning that I had to do the flips like super tight because they did tend to fall. So I was just going through trial and error, kind of learning and doing the flips and redoing the flips. And as you see, I was really struggling to do the back. I couldn't tell what I was doing.
Oh my God, it's DJ Swoop.
This is me showing my mom my hair when she walked in, and I ended up getting her to help me, so she ended up flipping the back for me, and she did a way better job than I was doing.
I got these bobby pins from the hair store. These was only $1.99. They just say love. I got two of them. And so I'm gonna put these in. I'm just gonna see. Alright, y'all, so I put on a little makeup. I got dressed, you know, put on a little shirt. And I really love this hairstyle, y'all. It came out so cute. I decided to put the clips both on this side because I just kind of didn't like how it looked with one on this side and one on that side. But I think this is so cute, y'all. One thing I will say is the flips do fall, so I do recommend a lot of hairspray. But other than that, y'all, this is so cute and quick and easy. It's honestly giving me more 50s than 90s, but either way, it's super cute. Like, oh my God, I just really feel myself. Like, I feel so preppy and girly, and I don't know, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm really trying to be more consistent and put out, you know, like really good content. So I really appreciate if you guys supported me or continue to support me. And yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it for this video, y'all. And yeah, thank y'all for watching.